What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. Today is the big day. We're out here, the world famous KP Fab and Tuned, and we're gonna put Cain and Fernando's truck on the dyno, get that thing lined out, and they're gonna be 100% rock and roll and burnout ready, like Fernando asked. So they're not here yet. I'm a little early. Show you around a couple things in the shop. He's got a bunch of interesting stuff. Lots of Holley stuff is tuned here, and it's funny because I've been coming to KP. I've been friends with him for almost my entire Malibu journey, to be honest with you. So ever since that car was fuel injected, I've known KP. We've been friends ever since, but people will ask him and then they ask me, and we always refer to, if you can afford to put a Holley in it, put a Holley in it. Terminator XMax, HP. If you got the money to go Dominator, put the bling in there, do that. But he tunes a ton of stuff, and I think a lot of the stuff actually that you see in the shop or whatever does run on Holley, including his personal vet that he almost has back together, and that thing is friggin' smoking fast. I'd like to see it again, but it was hauling the mail, man. So let's look around. I'll bring you back with Cain and Fernando to show up. We'll kind of talk to KP a little bit, see how he feels about the swap and all that. He hasn't seen it. This is the first time he's in to see what the work that Gene and I did on the truck, and I'm excited. We're not here to make ultimate horsepower. We're just here to get the thing lined out, get it running, so they can enjoy it. Let's go check it out.
Belts and Patty Melts and Monte Carlos and Eldorados. I'm waking up out of my slumber feeling like Rollo. So follow, it's showtime at the Apollo minus the Kiki Shepherds. With about a hoe and a leopard print. Teddy, Pendergrass, cooler than Freddie Jackson, sipping a milkshake in a snowstorm. That I throw warm in the dorm room.
Uh-oh. Look who's here. Look who made it. What's up, man?
Yeah.
Hey, I didn't get to see you last time when you didn't come and check your truck out. Your dad said you went on a school field trip.
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
Good? What do you think of the truck?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Does it run better?
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna run good after today, huh?
Yeah.
All right, how you doing, sir?
Good, good, good.
All right, we'll let you guys jump out of here, and then we'll go check it out. We'll go harass Kike. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. All right, the man of the hour has arrived. We're gonna go talk to KP real quick, and then he gets to see the swap for the first time. So this is my boy, KP Fab 2, world famous. What's up, brother?
How's it going?
So he is a big part of this. He has helped these guys so many times. It's not even funny. Late night tuning sessions, over and over and over. He's also the voice of reason, like I said. Lots of Holley swaps, lots of Holley tunes. So what do you think, man?
Oh, I love it. I think we're moving in the right direction. It's gonna be nice to see the Holley running in this thing. Now with the, the plan is to go turbo eventually, so that's gonna.
Yeah, well, I told him baby steps. We got to get it running first, get it right.
Yeah, but this is a big part of the turbo puzzle, you know?
Yeah, they've been asking forever. So, well, let's go take a look at it. Let me know what you think of the handiwork. He hasn't seen the truck, so he knows it. He remembers it from all the previous work. How many times have they been here before Holley LS Fest trying to get it running to go?
Can't even count anymore. Yes. It's good.
Does it look like the same truck?
No. I'm gonna drive by cable now? Yeah.
Yeah, we got the War Performance throttle body. We got Matt Happel from Sloppy's Flex Fuel plug and play harness in there, controlling the alternator as well. And then the
pressure sensor too.
Terminator XMax fuel pressure sensor. They got a gas gauge. Go check the screen.
Oh, you got a screen too?
Dude, they're big time.
Nice.
We got the mini controller over there. 7-inch.
So what bezel is this?
It's a factory stock one, and then we just cut it in.
Cut it in and modified it?
Gene made the background. We modified it.
That's cool.
Very cool.
New fuel pump. We've got a
And all the
340.
speedo, everything worked? Everything worked?
Everything works.
Yep.
Beautiful.
The
Fuel
gas
gauge, all of it.
The gas gauge works?
Yep. All right, it looks like he approves. We got to move and shuffle some cars around. That's good to hear. He tunes a lot of cool stuff and he sees a lot of different things. So that makes you feel good. So good job, Gene. And we'll move some things around. We'll bring you back when we get on the rollers. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's guide your dad. So I think KP's got him. Woo! You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, we're all gonna have to guess the horsepower?
Yeah.
I guess you already know because you already been here, huh? You know how much horsepower it makes, no? 290? Oh, well, I'm not gonna bet with you then because you already know the answer. Oh, I don't. Oh, you're guessing it's 290.
Yeah.
Well, you've been on the rollers before, haven't you?
From Holley.
Not with a Holley. That's a good one. I don't know. We'll have to ask these guys. I have no idea, but he's saying 290, so we'll see what they say. I think KP has a leg up on us though, because he does this all the time.
Yeah.
So we'll go strap this thing down, and then hopefully we'll watch him make some pulls. All right. I was asking Cain outside, power-wise, what do you think it'll do?
He said 300. He said
Cain,
300?
he said 290.
290?
Yeah.
295, I think.
500.
All right.
Pesos.
500 pesos. So get this thing strapped down. We'll ask KP when he gets rolling. You getting a bet going? They said
Yeah, for
he said
horsepower numbers.
290.
290?
Yeah.
295, I'm hoping.
I don't know. I can't remember what we did last time.
We did like. But the thing is, in April, you did second gear pulls only. So it was like 279, 280.
295. We're going to do third gear pulls now? The drive shaft still stock or no?
It's the stock crankshaft.
Oh, you gotta do.
But I figured out the vibration was the exhaust hitting the side of the transmission. So I cut a chunk of the transmission, so there's no.
You still don't want to go too fast with it though. No, we don't want to break nothing today.
275.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 278 just because he said 275. So we got 290. What was it? 280?
295.
295. So 290, 295, 275, and then 278. 300. Cruising fuel?
Yes.
That's the nice thing about having a dyno is you can just stare at the computer and not worry about running things over or killing people.
Check it out. Beats going on the street.
Time to rock and roll. All right, Cain. Looks like the first pull we are at 251. It's 76 miles an hour, so I think he's doing second gear pulls, but we're close, right? So I already forgot the numbers, but I think you were almost 300. You're what, 290. Okay, so we'll see. He's in there making some changes to it, so we'll see if he can squeak out some extra horsepower.
Okay.
He said what did KP say? I already forgot. 275. And then I was 278. So we got to make sure he doesn't cheat though. If there's extra horsepower, he better find it, huh?
Yeah.
All right, he's making some changes. We'll bring him back. We'll do another pull, but so far so good. And then when he was driving, when I was showing you guys, he was lining out the fuel and doing all this stuff that on a dyno you can do safely, where you can steer your computer and see what's going on versus trying to do it on the street and street tuning it, right? So fuel map looks good. Now he's making some changes. We'll see if we can dig up a little more horsepower. But again, we're here to make sure the thing does all the things and is safe. And then eventually we'll find a turbo for you and we'll get that thing strapped on there and we'll figure it out. But until then, you guys need to enjoy it and have some fun with it and make sure it's reliable and safe, right?
Yeah.
Is burnout ready like your dad said?
Well, I want it freeway ready.
Freeway ready. Yeah. 276. I think you won the bet. Huh. All right. So we're at the 261 mark. I think that's where we're going to kind of end up.
We'll do one more with the burner lock so Fernando can be happy and see all the numbers.
We're going to do one more?
Yeah.
All right. It looks like we're going to do one more. Because
you want to see the numbers.
We put the old graph up, and they were cheating. It's 276, but it was with the converter locked. And then we can only make second gear pulls because he has a stock drive shaft. So if you know about the Chevys with the stock drive shafts, if you dyno in third gear, they like to spit them out. And we're really trying to avoid having issues and problems because we want to get them on the road, not put them back on jack stands. So one more one and done, and I think we'll be closer to the mark that you're looking for. Yeah. All right. I don't know where your dad went, but we're going to get it rolling. You want your earmuffs?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So what we get now?
281.
281. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
That's just for the numbers.
It's just for the numbers. All right.
Video.
So 281, and that's with it locked in second, just so they can be happy to get the number. So, all right, bud. Well, you guys are tuned up, and we'll probably have you go around the block, see how it feels or whatever, make sure everything's good to go.
Yeah.
Then we'll get this thing wrapped. All right, I just texted Happel, and he said that your number is good on the dyno.
Yeah.
Yep, and he also said we got to do the pulls in second gear because you'll toss the stock drive shaft. So KP wasn't lying to you. And then also he guessed that you just had a cam, and then he thought you might have shorty headers, but I told him no, you got stock manifolds. So you did good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got seal of approval.
From the man himself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now we're trying to get out of here, and this guy. What do you need?
Oh, he knows what he wants. What do you want?
What are we hooking up? The two-step. So power-wise, everything's done. The truck runs and does what it should do. And my man over here is concerned about the pops and bangs. So KP's obliging, we're hook a button up. And then that's that. I mean, this thing runs and drives and it's even gonna pop and bang. Thank you to everybody involved. KP for host and doing the dyno. You were the man. Let's go rummage over here real quick and thank him. All right, Mr. KP. We appreciate you. Thank you for doing all the dyno time.
No problem, three.
Making the thing work, and then even hooking up the two-step.
I'm just gonna hook up a quick little two-step deal on this. It's not gonna, it's not gonna take long, and it'll be fun.
So. All right, that is that. Thank you guys again. Shout out to KP Fab and Tune, Holley for making it happen. My buddy LSX Bob Ross, Matt Happel, Sloppy Mechanics for joining on board. Gene, I can't thank you enough for all the hard work put in. And who else?
Who are we missing? Dane. We're missing Dane.
Yeah. And me. Thank you to me. You guys know what to do. Till next time, I'm out.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon drive style, make your whole city rock. Malibu gangster, with a touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She, sloppy tune, we got a hit in 08. In the war performance parts all over the place. The bomb squad's on the scene, you two's going wild.